What's up, guys? We're here at Dollar General. Josh just opened the box for me here, and we're gonna go through these real quick. Right away I see that Lamborghini Countach, a regular treasure hunt. See that symbol right there? This symbol means you just found a collectible treasure hunt car. Sweet, dude. I'll take it. Let's see what else we have. We got that Aston Martin that just came out. I'll take that one as well. Let's see what else. Oh my god, look at that Firebird. I'll definitely take that. The Hotbird. I'm gonna take that one. Super? Is this one the Super? Nope. That Lightning is cool. I don't know if I should take that one or not. There's two of those Lightnings. Let's see. A little Ford DT here. And look at that motorcycle. That thing is sick. I don't know if I should take that or not. But yeah, I'm gonna finish digging through these, and then I'm gonna get to the bottom. All right, so we're at the bottom of this Hot Wheels box here. So let's get it open here. Yeah, sure. Sorry, sir. See what we have at the bottom. I hope that's a Super. It doesn't look like it though. Yeah, no, not a Super. Let's see. Bugatti Huayra, is that the ID? Yes, it is the ID. Look at that. I'll take that. I'll definitely take that. No Super, but one ID chase. I'll definitely take that. Nice. Way to make my day there. Let's see. Let's see what else. What else we have in here? Another McLaren F1. I don't know if I should take that one. There's a lot of goodies in this case. That's pretty cool. Is it the one Dodge? Or the Plymouth? Yeah, it is. Look at that. Sick, dude. I'm gonna have to make up my mind for most of these because there's such great cars in here. Let's see. I swear, dude, that Cobra could have been a Super. No biggie though. I got an ID chase. There's another one of them Aston Martins. Wow. There's a lot of good cars in this case, but sadly can't take all of them. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna put these on the shelf real quick, and I'm gonna make up my mind for these. But yeah, I'll do the review at home. Peace. Alright guys, so we're back from the hunt, and this is the haul I got, and let's review it real quick. Starting with the first car here. Let me put my camera up on this little stand here. Alright, let's pick the first car. So the first car we're gonna review is the 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. Now this is a pretty rockin' looking casting here. It's got like Mopar on the side right here. Here, let me focus it a bit more. Mopar, you know, we got all these other brands. I don't know what these are. I can't really see them, but it's got Mopar on there. Definitely Plymouth on the back here. Look at those wheels, dude. They look sick. Here's the front. Sorry, you can't really see it because of the glare, but there's the front part right there. Your little hood there. Nothing on the roof. We got your rear end right there. Pretty cool looking, dude. I'm glad I got this one. All right. Next up, we got the Hot Bird. Now, I was really excited about this one because it's a freaking Pontiac Firebird. I mean, who doesn't like Firebirds? Look at that thing. It's got no tampos up front, none on the back, but it still looks fucking sick, dude. Like, it has no windows up here. Like, all this is just hollow. Like, right here, and then on the other side, too. I'm very sorry you can't see that here. Let me just get closer to the light here. But there's the hood with the little phoenix there. There's the top with the golden little stripe there. There's the back. Look at those wheels, dude. Damn, that's amazing. Really glad I got this one as well. Next up, we have this badass looking motorcycle. I decided to pick it up. It's the Bad Bagger, part of the Hot Wheels Flame series. Now this is one out. Holy shit, dude! Like this is a pretty badass motorcycle here, and I'm glad I found it because I've been looking for a Bad Bagger for my collection since like 5 months ago, and I'm finding one today. Look at that. Freaking sick, dude. That's sick. It's got like flames on the side. What else could you want on this little motorcycle here? Look at that engine, dude. Damn. I swear, dude, that's sick. There's the top there. The little gas cap. The front. But yeah, that's freaking sick. Damn. Almost knocking my lamp down here. Okay, next up we got the 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, part of the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series. And that beautiful red. I needed this coloration too, damn. Look at that. Look at that thing, dude. We got tampos up front and tampos on the back. That's what a lot of collectors are looking for. You know, I just like the casting in general. Here's a little Lightning logo for a Ford F-150 Lightning. There's a little bed here. Wow, badass truck. I love that truck. Even though it's a Ford, I'm more of a Chevy guy, but you know, it's a freaking badass truck, I gotta admit. Next up, we have the Range Rover Classic. This thing is like, holy, dude, this thing was meant to be in the Baja. Look at that. It's got a lot of sponsors on there. We got Land Rover A-Batch, I think that says. I don't really know that brand that well, but I think it says A-Batch. Michelin, HW Graphics. Oh, it has Hella on there. Look at that. That's sick. Hella, we got Hella. Castrol, a little Hot Wheels logo. Range Rover logo, the little Land Rover logo. Yet again, Michelin. On the hood here, we have Castrol and, you know, all this other stuff right here. But yeah, that's sick. Look at that. It's got little tampos on the back there. A little license plate. That's sick. Glad I got that one. Next up, we got the Aston Martin V12 Speedster. New for 2021. This is a new casting. Part of the Hot Wheels Exotic series. Let's take a look at the description of it. You guys can read that. You guys can pause the video and read that. But yeah, that's freaking sick. It's got sorry, I had a voice crack there. Goddamn. Front tampos, and it's only got a little license plate back there. But it's a freaking good-looking casting. They did a good job on it. That's sick, dude. Really loving this one. Aston Martins. That's your freaking badass cars, I'll tell you that. Next up, we got the McLaren F1. This is one I was really excited for, and I'm pretty sure you could tell why. It's got the best details, in my opinion. The best details. Like, I think this is like one of the most detailed cars I've seen for Hot Wheels this year. Look at that. It's got everything on the front. Little fog lights up here. Little headlights. The McLaren logo. We got the back here. Look at that. They detailed all these little squares right here. That's sick, dude. And it's even, look at that. If you zoom in, it's got the little F1 badge right here. McLaren F1, look at that. Ain't that detail for you? Damn. This is a really cool car, I tell you. Here's a description of it. If y'all wanna pause the video and look at it. But yeah, yet again, it's a new casting, new for 2021. Part of the Hot Wheels Exotics. Man, badass car. Really glad I picked that one up. Last but not least, we got our two chase cars here. But let's start with the Lamborghini Countach. Let's save the best for last. This is the Lamborghini Countach. This is a regular treasure hunt, part of the Hot Wheels Rescue Series. Not a real big fan of this treasure hunt, but you know, it's cool to find a little licensed treasure hunt here. There you got your little circle flame logo back there. Emergency. It looks like an ambulance almost, but I don't know. Emergency. Here you have your little treasure hunt symbol right there. The little circle flame logo. Man. I guess it's kind of cool, but you know, it's not my cup of tea. And you have the little lettering down here. But yeah, it's a cool little treasure hunt, I gotta admit. Alright, last but not least, the Pagani Huayra ID chase. I've been looking for an ID chase for what, a couple months already, I think. And this is the first one I found in those couple months. But yeah, that's sick. I just like hesitated a little bit. I was just like, what is it? And then I was like, it's gonna be the regular. But you know, I kind of saw like the orange part like here, and I was like, wait, I don't think it's the regular this time. But yeah, it's wow, look at that. Look at that in the light. It looks like actual gold. Like sort of like orange gold. It's got your little rims here, little ID logo right here. Tells you it's an ID chase. Here's a little chip you scan down there. There it is, man. Look at that. What a beautiful car. I'm really glad I found this one. But yeah, guys, if you guys did like this video, please remember to leave a like. And here, let me put all the cars here so y'all can see what the haul was. Sorry I haven't been posting that much either. I was really busy moving. I think you could tell by the little new scene here. This is my little desk I have for my room. I finally have a room now. So yeah, guys, if you guys did like this haul, please remember to smash that like button, subscribe, and share to your friends, family. But yeah, anyways, I'm out for this one, and I'll see you guys on the next peg hunt. Peace.